I'm here on the Grand Canal in Dublin, where we're told there's about 80 different tents that have been pitched here since many of those seeking refuge left the International Protection Office, which is just a very short distance away here across the canal last week. And we're here today to see what the conditions are like, how people are getting on staying here at the moment. So we're going to go and see if we can chat to some of those who are camping here and some of those who are helping them out. Did you stay in a tent outside the IPO office on Mount Street last week?
Since I came, that's where I've been.
That's where you've been. Okay.
That's where I've been staying.
Okay.
I didn't have any other place. I sleep there, but no, I'm not sleeping with two of my eyes.
Because you're concerned for your safety.
Yeah. I appreciate the people of Ireland. To me, I can see they are so accommodating compared to where I'm coming from. I know they cannot just abandon us there. They cannot. I know they are aware we are here. So I believe they will do something. I'm confident. I am 100% confident that they will do something very soon.
People are feeling a lot more exposed here on the canal, and they're getting a lot more hassle from people coming by and just shouting abuse at them. However, on the other side of it, the local community have been so kind as well. They've been bringing down food, water and different things because they can see the dire humanitarian situation that this really is.
There's no toilets here. There's no showers. Could something like that not be provided closer?
Definitely. I think the worry, and I don't want to speak for the government or for any of the official organisations, is that something like that might make a situation like this seem more permanent when it shouldn't be. But at the same time, I've worked in international aid for 10 years, and the basic thing that you try and always ensure is access to safe sanitation. You don't obviously have that here. You have to walk for 15 minutes plus during the daytime to access the closest homeless day service where you can access a toilet. At night time, everything's closed.
How long do you envisage most of the people here will remain staying in tents here along the canal?
I can't answer that question. I think that's a question that needs to be put to the government. And what I would hope to see is that not just the people who are sleeping here, but the rough sleepers throughout the whole city are offered accommodation. If there's a cosmetic solution to this problem of just clearing this area, we're just going to see it pop up again.